Ionic compounds are all around us. An ionic compound is made up of a metal and a non-metal bonded together. It is an ionic compound that makes cake airy and soft. This ionic compound is known as baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. There's another important ionic compound that's used to stop tooth decay, and that is sodium fluoride. Let's start off by looking at the bonding and structure of ionic compounds. Ionic compounds have strong ionic bonds between the ions. These are strong electrostatic forces of attraction. Ionic compounds have something known as a giant lattice structure. We say that the structure is giant because it contains billions of atoms, and it is a lattice structure because a lattice is a regular repeating pattern. Ionic compounds have this giant three-dimensional ordered structure, which is why they form crystals in the solid state. In terms of properties, there are two really important ones. Firstly, they have very high melting and boiling points. The reason being is that they have really strong electrostatic forces of attraction between oppositely charged ions, which require a lot of energy to break. Another important property is that ionic compounds can conduct electricity when molten or aqueous. Molten is a hot liquid. When ionic compounds melt, they form hot liquids. So in the liquid state, they're able to conduct electricity. Aqueous refers to the substance being dissolved in water. A substance can conduct electricity if it has free moving charged particles like electrons or ions. So ionic compounds cannot conduct electricity in the solid state because in the solid state, the particles are vibrating from a fixed position. They can't move freely. However, in the liquid state, these particles are able to move around each other and so will be able to conduct electricity. When dissolved in water, ionic compounds can conduct electricity because the ionic lattice breaks down and the ions are free to move around. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like, comment and subscribe and share this video to get it to more pupils like yourselves. All the best and see you in my next video.